Niggas had that EDD money, told you it won't last. Y'all so bad, feeling so sad, niggas go past. They frustrated, niggas don't know about no scams.
I ain't getting no EDD check, but through the whole pandemic, I've been getting rich. That's on my mama, I be really out scamming hard. In Neiman Marcus, I maxed out another credit card. I'm at the pawn shop buying all the shit you pawn.
Before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. I'm not telling anybody to go do anything, so let's get this thing started. So we back at it. I told y'all we back to dropping videos. I'm back to dropping sauce. I'm back to helping you guys get ahead in life. I'm back to helping you, showing you guys new companies, new lending companies, new financial groups, new banks, new credit unions that you could apply for, that you could sign up for and start getting loans, building relationships and all things like that. Because at the end of the day, you have to build a relationship with the bank that you're dealing with. You got to build a relationship with anybody that you're dealing with, because you don't have a relationship. That's like me walking up to you in the middle of the street randomly, but hey, can I borrow $10,000? Like, who are you? Like, so it doesn't work like that. So always remember to build relationships. So today we're going to be talking about a company called Elements Financial. It's an unsecured, another signature loan. Last video I gave you a signature loan up to $5,000. And this video going to be for $25,000. And like I said, it's not a secure loan. Secure loans, you have to put up collateral. Unsecured loans, you don't have to put up anything. And this unsecured signature loan, all they are looking for is your signature, and they're going to go off what you say you make. So today we're going to be talking about Elements Financial. You got bad credit, no credit check. You want to get some credit cards. You need up to a $25,000 loan. You need to get any financial help, and you got bad credit. Make sure you go check out Elements Financial, and let's get into the video right now. All right, so we got Elements Financial. That's the website you go to. So unsecured signature loan, the smart way to borrow money for a large ticket item. So let's scroll down. Unsecured signature loans, interest rate 8.59%, APR 9.57%, monthly payment $751.14, long term 48 months. All right, and that's pretty decent. So key features: unsecured signature loan, you don't need collateral to borrow up to $25,000. Key features: not tied to collateral, borrow up to $25,000, borrow $4,000 for less than $100 a month. So do the math: 4, 8, 12, 16, 24, just double it up. Fixed, so let's see, 4, 8, 12, 16, 24, that's what you're paying roughly $500 to $600 a month on a $25,000 loan, depending on the APR and all that. Fixed payment each month instead of revolving line like credit card. No repayment penalties. Get your cash in your account as little as 1 business day after your loan is approved. May be good choice if you want the convenient way to purchase a large ticket item you can't buy with a credit card. You want to consolidate loans, take a dream vacation, or pay off your credit cards. Trade-off: interest rates is generally higher than the loan and secured with collateral, and borrower usually must have a high credit rating. So basically, you can get up to $25,000, bad credit, no credit check, signature loan, and they got all different type of loans, and they got credit cards. So if you're looking to get you a bad credit signature loan, tap in with them. What's the difference between a unsecured and secure loan? Unsecured loan. All right, so not tied to collateral, quick process for lower lending amounts, typically has shorter terms. Examples: unsecured mortgage loans. Secure loan, connected to a piece of collateral. The lender can take possession of the collateral if you do not repay the loan as agreed. Typically has a lower interest rates, can be easier to get if you need to rebuild credit. So it's a plus and minus for each one, but it all depends on which works best for you. Can I usually use it for anything? Big vacations, loan consolidation, paying off your credit cards, unexpected emergencies, home repairs or improvements, medical bills, new cars, a second home. It's up to you what you use your $25,000 for, all right? How do I access the funds? How does a signature loan compare to other choices and purchases? And it breaks down everything right here, from the platinum Visa card, the home equity line of credit, the certificate loan, the personal unsecured signature loan, borrow the money without using collateral loan, fixed monthly payments, 4-year fixed 9.7, don't own your home, want predictable monthly payments that you stay the same, consolidating loans, paying off credit cards, no prepayment penalties, no annual fees, available amounts, borrow up to $25,000 based on credit rating, up to full amount of your certificate, whatever your available equities on your home, borrow up to $25,000 based on your credit rating. So tap in with them, y'all. Let's talk about it. Elements Financial Group. All right, there you got it. Elements Financial. $25,000 secured signature loan just off your signature. If you need it for anything, like they said, you can use that money for anything that you want. Just make sure you repay it back. Bad credit accepted. Secure loans, credit cards, all that. So like I told y'all guys, anybody, before you guys go apply for these loans, anybody out there just think, oh, they're just going to give me $25,000. They think, oh, they're just going to give me money. It does not work like that. Please have your credentials in order. Please have your business together. So once you apply for the loan and you send in the information that you need, you'll be easily approved. There's not no handouts, none of that. A lot of people think these loans, when I make these videos, they just handouts because you got bad credit. No, you have to have your business established. You have to have your business in order. What I mean by established, you have to have a bank account, checking and save. Like I said, it says borrow $4,000 or less. Borrow $4,000 for less than $100 a month. You gotta have pay stubs, bank statements, and like I said, there's ways to make those because people have their own businesses, people have their own payroll. So if you need help building your own pay stubs, building your own documents, that's possible. And that's why I give my lessons so I can assist people on getting the loans and the things they need to help them build their business, help them with emerge. That you subscribe and hit the all notification bell, and I got some free sauce for you, point blank period. Make sure you follow my Telegram. All my links to the Telegram and all that good stuff will be in the community under my pictures. So make sure you go tap into that. And hey, let's start getting this money together. Let's start paying attention to financial freedom. Let's start putting ourselves in the right positions because we want to go into 2023 the right way. We want to go into 2023 making money. We want to go into 2023 investing money. We want to go into 2023 making passive income. And I'm going to be making a lot of more videos about how you can be creating passive income for yourself, how you can invest in certain things that can make you money. You can. It's easy for you to invest a couple $100s in 30 people, and they start making $2,000, $3,000 a month. You get half. Now you got 30 people that's paying you at least $1,000 a month. That's $30,000.